How to link bank account on blockchain. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually link your bank account on blockchain. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to link your bank account on blockchain, all you need to do is just go ahead and simply open the blockchain application. Or you can go to the blockchain.com website, and then you just have to click the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And then here you'll find the option called General. Just go to General. Once you go to General, under General Information, you'll find the section that says Linked Banks. So it says no linked banks as of now. So basically, if you want to link a bank account and if you're eligible, you'll find the option called Add Bank on the right hand side in order to be able to add a bank. In case you cannot add a bank, you can also simply add a credit or debit card. So just click on the Add Card button over here. Make sure to enter your account, link a payment method, verify your account, and do everything. And then your blockchain account will be successfully created, and then you would have linked your bank account as well. This is simply how you can link bank account on blockchain.com. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.